Court officer.
Page wise. Page 1, seal number 1 to 3. Page 2, seal number 4 to 7.
On filing of paper with Sunday represent.
My lord, serial number 8, my lord.
And serial number 5 submission ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay, madam.
How much time this was order was passed on 28 to 20. But you have to file it.
2011.
Too many witnesses are there. Why you want 2 weeks time? How many witnesses are there? Respondent number 1. That is a company. No, you are a company. You are a company, not. Sunil Shastri and Champu case by Messr Shastri and company. So you are you have reported the death that was abated. That has to be shown. ಅದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೊಡಿ ಈಗ ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲ at request Learner Council for respondent 1 submits that appeal against respondent number 1 is abated due to his death. Just we check if that is the case, we say not to show your name. You have produced a death certificate also? Or just we'll examine that. At request 1 week time is granted to the need. Yes. Next ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಸಿ
Page 3, number 8 and 9.
8 and 9. Somebody was representing 8. Somebody mentioned in serial number 8. Next ಆರಾಗಲೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
Page 5, seal number 10 and 11. Page 6, seal number 12 to 14. Page 7, seal number 15. Page 8, seal number 16 to 18. Page 9, seal number 19 to 23. Page 10, seal number 24 and 25.
In serial number 25, I may be permitted to make one submission.
Yes.
Today is my father's anniversary. Shraddha ide manayalli. I want short accommodation. I have informed Mr. Sundaresh also.
I'm
who is
appearing. I'm appearing.
Yes.
As reported.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈಲಾಡ್
Yes.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸುಮಾರು ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1930 ಲಿಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ 2 ದಿನ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ ನಾನು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
ನಾನು appellant kindly grant me about a week's time, first or second week of August ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
31st 31/8 ಸರಿ 31/7
31/7 ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಒಂದು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್
ಈಗ you said today it is not convenient to you because of some ceremonies.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿ
and he is submitting that it is
I am
2014.
aware of it. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ, ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 31st ಬದಲು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ
When are you
ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್.
returning? When are you returning?
ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ.
3/8.
Much obliged. Much obliged.
Page 11, seal number 26 to 33.
He is in custody. Then it must be urgent for you only. Otherwise, you again come up with bail application saying that he has already served half of the sentence, etc. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಮಿಕಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂರಿನಾ ಏನು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ as requested by the appellant's counsel list on 17 7/8 I'm sorry. ಅಲ್ಲ 29 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ 31 yours is also 2017 ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರ? ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. 31
Yes, it has gone apply for certified copy.
Appellant counsel list of only.
Not giving it.
The officer. I'm Sundar. Medical, sorry, adjournment is sought on the medical ground of the appellant's counsel. List after 2 weeks. ಈಗ 26 ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಲ್ವಾ? As requested list custody period 9 years ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 9 years ಅಂತ ಬಹುಶಃ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಪ್ಪ 2 days ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 2020 33 adjournment is sought on the medical ground of the appellant's counsel. Hence adjourned. Yes. Cut.
Orders, number 1.
Office subsection and IA 1 of 2023 for permission to retire from the case. No, that is second. One second. Non-compliance of office subsection raised on memo for retirement. You tappagidaare nodi. So these IA and memo second set are not filed. Memo also is filed by him. Memo of retirement. Non-amendment of cost statement. What is this?
One A is there. The others are legal there. We have to amend the.
Well, we'll see what is that IA 1 of 2023. Permit the counsel to retire from the appeal. Innondu memo, he has filed an IA and memo both for retirement. What is that memo? So both memo as well as application are not accompanied by this acknowledgement. Unserved. How many respondents are there?
So originally only one respondent. His LRs are R1, A2, D.
Yes.
One A is also known. The others are daughter,
Robin,
R3, R3.
Rabia Banu.
Appellant 3. One C.
ಇಬ್ಬರ ಹೆಸರು ರಬಿಯಾ ಬಾನು. A is also
A and B are daughter.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಬ್ಬರ ಹೆಸರು ರಬಿಯಾ ಬಾನು ಅಂತಾನೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದಾರೆ.
A and B are daughter.
ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್
C is the one. Original response. Original appellant.
Shahina Begum, Ruhi Banu, daughter. He has issued notice to all it since the second set ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಏನಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ? Return to the sender, insufficient address not known. Will reject both and dismiss the appeal for non-persecution. 2005 suit. What was?
Yes.
What was the suit?
Performance. And the agreement holder has exceeded before the trial.
Suit is of the year 2005.
2005.
Decree 2ನೇ ಜನವರಿ 2002 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. That is typing error. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2007 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ಡ್ right, you have produced the typed copy of the judgment also. In that you have mentioned it as 2nd January 2002. No representation for the appellant. Office objections are not on I1 of 2023 and memo for retirement are not complied. The postal covers produced along with IA1 of 2023 show that the notices of retirement notices were returned unserved on the Therefore, it appears that the appellants are not interested in prosecuting the matter. IA 1 of 2023 and memo of memo for retirement are rejected for non-compliance. The appeal consequently the appeal is also dismissed. Insufficient ಅಂತ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Court notice to court notice. Why court notice was ordered to no, right? Why court notice was issued? No, he has appeared for only appellant. So what was the suit? Here, Vishwanath. So, he Raghunath Rao, he was a plaintiff.
Guru Prasad has undertaken to file wakalat on the. I filed wakalat.
Wakalat is for A1 and A3. No, but why court notice was issued? Whether they had appeared and retired? Then why the court notice should be issued unless no, appeal was filed through whom? Which advocate filed the appeal? Why she retired or no, what we were asking is whether she filed retirement memo. Why court notice was issued to dismiss his exam?
Then subsequently that is restored. Then subsequently thereafter all the dates of not there.
If they do not appear, it could have been dismissed. Why? Was there any reason for?
Let the notice be ordered and I cannot object. The second
Why should it be issued? Whether we should go and invite him. If it is his appeal, whether we should go and invite him. Notice is there. Now just we wanted to know when that notice ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್
Yes, number 7. 10 to 23 giving in view of the age of the parties, they issue notice to appellants.
Age of the parties. We cannot help more than that. And 2023. The case Dimay and another advocate person submitted his appeal had been dismissed for non-prosecution twice. None appeared for the appellant on the last occasion. He submitted that this is a suit for partition of smaller house 30/50. Keeping the age of the parties. What is the age of the parties? 86, 66. He was younger than the appellant number 1. Correct. Age of the party, andre he is younger than the mother. So admitted, alwa, it was twice dismissed. No, it was twice dismissed for non-prosecution. Notice of appellant. So you are aware that information is not correctly passed to him. Then why are you holding brief for appellant number 2? You mind only your client's business. Admitted twice for non-prosecution. However, sorry, appellant number 1 and 3 are none else but the mother and brother of appellant number 2. The court, however, this court by abandoned question on 10/2/2023 ordered notice to appellant number 2, and the same is returned answered with the endorsement insufficient address. It is since the appellants have referred the appeal, they have to prosecute it. When the mother and brother of the second appellant are represented through a counsel, we don't find any solution. Don't find. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. We don't find any reason to issue any further notice to the second respondent. Appeal of the second respondent is dismissed. ಈಗ ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ non-furnishing of address to issue notice of IA 1 of 2022. And the copy of the official. What is IA 1 of 2023? He takes notice. IA 1 of 2023 is to issue notice to offshore liquidator. So you have not yet implemented them. Offshore liquidator is not party in the appeal. The appeal is against which order? No, what is that order passed? It is dismissed. Suit was correct. This defendant has went into liquidation. Defendant has liquidation. So shall you have to implement them. But you have simply said that to issue notice to them. Order 22 rule 8 will have to be. So they have to be brought on record. You have to bring them on record. Here, what is the Barcode? You just Srimati so and so learned counsel undertakes to appear for the official liquidator, the proposed party in IA 1 of 2023. She shall file the wakalat in the registry within 2 weeks. Registry shall show her name in the copy list accordingly. The appellant's counsel shall officer served on you.
Okay.
She submits that she has received the copies. You have any objection for this?
I haven't received any instruction.
As requested, list after 1 week. Yeah, team. Memo for direction filed by the advocate for respondent as non-filing of additional papers, advocate for respondent. With the order dated 28/11/2022. What was the order dated 11/1/2020? Complete instruction, she seeks 3 weeks time granted. And 28/11/2020. She seeks time to file additional papers. The Learner Counsel for the response submits that she has filed the documents in the registry on 11/1/2023 shall verify.
Number 4,
For the appellant.
Citation.
I'm appearing, the last date of hearing, this appellant number 2 and 3, I was the guardian, appellant number 1 is discharged. Now it has been posted for hearing.
16-18. That was not noted in the appeal memo.
No,
That discharge is
court
not-
has not passed an order, but that's a mistake of court. Because court has not said it, I have not done it. Court only allowed.
IA 1 of 2023 is allowed.
Yes,
Appellant
ma'am.
number 1 is discharged from the guardianship of appellant number 2 and
2
3.
and 3.
But you are always there to guide the court if the court is committed mistake on that day only.
No, my lord. But I can't tell, sometimes it will be extraneous also, that's why. I have said it, madam, but
No.
court has-
See, now you can say that court has committed mistake. You would have said on that day only.
No. I am not committing any against allegation, madam. I'm
No,
not.
we agree. But on the day when your application was allowed, you could have mentioned that you may be permitted to amend the appeal memo, cast title of the appeal memo.
I will amend it. Your lordship may fix it at a date. Meanwhile, I will do it, madam. Yeah, fixing a date for
On
hearing.
the records, it is noticed that on 15/2/2023, IA 1 of 2023 to discharge the next friend of appellant number 2 and minor appellant number 2 and 3 was allowed. However, it was not specifically mentioned that the appellants shall amend the cause title of the appeal memo accordingly. Therefore, the appellants are directed to amend the appeal memo in accordance with the order on IA 1 of 2023 and furnish the copy of the amended appeal memo. List after 1 week. Time ಕೇಳ್ತಾದ್ರಲ್ಲ, something we said that.
ಅಬೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಬೇಟೆಡ್ R1 is
ಮೆಮೊ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. Citation ಅಂತ IA 1 of CD for 1000 filing the LR application. ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
Years back.
Legal representative of is the first respondent on record and grant such other relief. Application file ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 18/11/2019 ನಲ್ಲಿ. What was the order passed on? Order 22 Rule 9. But they both of them did not mention that applications are pending or disposed of. Bharati Mukunda. Anil Kumar. She is the daughter, it seems. Yeah, notice ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. They said but these applications are filed in 2018 and 19. IA number 1 of 2019 and 2019. ಏನಾರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಫೈನಲಿ
my memo of retirement for R A to C may kindly be accepted.
1 second. You are mentioning in serial number 5?
Please, my lord, please, my lord.
serial number 8.
No, in this matter, some IAs are pending.
Please,
Is there
my
any orders were passed on that? Legal LR applications. Given IA 1 of 2018 for bringing the LR of R1. Memo for reporting the death of R1. It is recorded in Request appeals to relist this appeal after 2 weeks. Non-compliance of office objections raised on I1 of 2018. Issue notice of IAS. 4 weeks time is granted. Non-furnishing of PF etc. ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Finally 4 weeks times. Want notice issue ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. Appellant's counsel was seeking adjournment in the matter. Has passed away 10 years back. Appellant has not taken steps to pay the process fee. To issue notice on IAS. To bring the loss of deceased on record. Therefore, appeal has stood abated against respondent number 1. Order ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ 28/2/2023. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. The appellant's counsel seeks time. Respondent counsel for respondent one submits that respondent number 1 passed away long back. By order dated 28/2/2023, this court has recorded that the appeal against the respondent number 1 is abated. Registry shall show the same in the causes henceforth and shall not show the name of counsel M. Sunil Shastri and Champu case by Mr. Shastri and company in the cause list. Non-filing of paper. At request finally, 1 week time is granted to do the needful filing with the appeal.
Lord, I appear for the respondents number 1 to 3 in this matter.
ನಾವು ಹೆಸರು ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ 1 second. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ತೋರಿಸಿ 1 second. somebody was representing ಯಾರೋ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು 3 to 5 ನಾನು ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. there are only 2 respondents. ಅವರೇನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, 6.
In serial number 6, I represent respondent number 1 to 3 in this matter. No, there was a preemptory order that was passed on 6/4/2023 to file the paper book.
6/4/20. Preemptorily,
Yes, ma'am.
8 weeks time is granted to do the needful.
Please.
So thereafter, when it was listed, and appealants are all.
But it was listed. My lords, they have all attained majority. My lord, it's an offshoot of a matrimonial dispute. So the suit was filed through minors seeking for partition. Now the trial court would dismiss the suit with a finding that it's a self-acquired property of the second
Yesterday we
respondent.
asked you, they are your children only. You must be knowing where
Yes,
they are.
yes. My lord, at present, my lord, we are not even in talking terms. The instructions, insofar as the instructions from my client is concerned, my lord, both of them have attained majority and both of them are BE graduates, computer science. Whereas the first appellant, my lord, is already married and she is residing with her husband. It was, my lord, the dispute is going on for nearly 3 decades now between their mother and the first respondent. They are not even in talking terms. I was not invited to the marriage also.
Suit was dismissed.
Suit is dismissed with a finding that all these properties are self-acquired properties of the second respondent, that is the father-in-law.
Father-in-law.
Yes, my lord.
ಅವರೇ ನೀವು himself ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು.
Please, ma'am.
So, but you have to file because something shall be there on record to show that they have attained majority.
My lord, I can file a memo. My lord, I will file a memo. My lord, I will file a memo. My colleague is there in the court. Not even according to the cost title. Not even according to the cost title. Even according to the cost title, my lord.
You understand the difficulty of the court. Even there are minors. Difficult for us to dismiss for non-prosecution.
My lord, if I may submit this.
You are the father. You produce some record, birth certificate.
My lord, the difficulty is.
You produce
they
some
left,
proof
my
of
lord,
date of birth.
the difficulty. May I submit this? The difficulty is the second respondent,
Then
second
we'll
appellant
appoint
was
some
born.
amicus curiae or some legal service authority.
No, it can be done also. That could also be
We'll
done.
direct some legal service authority. Really,
That-
that's what yesterday we said they may not be interested because they might have find their own life. But because
True, my
they
lord.
were shown
My
to be
lord,
minors, we
if
can't dismiss
permitted,
it to non-trustee.
please, my lord, if permitted, I would, I may be permitted to make two submissions. My lord, even according to the cost title, my lord, the first appellant was age 14 years at the time of filing the appeal, which is in the year 2012. My lord, 11 years later, she as on today is 25 years. The second appellant would be, my lord, 23 years. In fact, second appellant, my lord, was born after she left the matrimonial home. My wife left the matrimonial home. So I don't absolutely have no records insofar as the second appellant is concerned. My lord, first appellant, I can take instruction. I'll find out if they have any birth certificate or I can find out from my client.
Any proof of age if you produce, we can pass orders. Otherwise, we'll direct them.
Lord, could this matter be had on? Could this matter be called on Friday, my lord? Thursday, my lord. I'll try to secure the instructions on it.
Okay, we'll return this memo.
Please, my
File
lord.
it
Please, my
along
lord.
with that.
Please, my lord.
Response 1 to 3. Please, accommodation to file the proof of age proof of appellant number 2 and 3.
Please, my lord. Appellant number 1 and 2, my lord. Only both appellants.
Appellant number 1 and 2.
Yes.
Of course, if you produce that, we can then proceed to pass the orders.
Please, my lord. Please. I'm grateful, my lord.
Yes. R1. Respondents 10 to 10. Manjunath, 10 to 12. NOC given in respect of R11 to 12. So Harish Bhandari is appearing for them. Your name may be deleted. Manjunath. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ NOC ವಕಾಲತ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಹರೀಶ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ 11 to 15 with the NOC of this Shri Manjunath Rayappa, lawyer counsel for 10 to 12. The registry shall not show the name of Shri Manjunath Rayappa henceforth in the for response 10 to 12. Not filed in respect of R11 and 12 ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹರೀಶ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ for R11 to 15 NOC ವಕಾಲತ್ file. Yes, correct. Then what else has to be done in this memo for treating the LRs of this appellant number 1? Respondent number R1 is Hanumamma. Treat 1A to Z na 1A to Z ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಮೆಮೊದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲ 1A to Z ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ 2 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ 2A to Z ಅಂತ 2A to H ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ appellant 1A to appellant LRs are 1A to Z. Treating the appellants 1A to Z as LRs of deceased respond. Oh, respond number 1 go avare LRs. How they are related to each other? Daughter of respondent number 1. Oh, these are the children of this appellant. We can record that. They are irrelevant. Respondent number 1 is reported dead. Appellant is the daughter of deceased respondent number 1. She also died pending this appeal, and her LRs are brought on record as appellant number 1A to Z. They become the LRs of deceased respondent 1 also. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಯಾರು ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರಿಲ್ವಾ? But who is this respondent number 2? Respondent number 2, 4, 3 to. There are many respondents, including parties there. respondents 1 to 2 to 9. How they were related? You claim that appellant 1A to G alone are the LRs. Hanumamma, wife of Ramappa. For this defendants 2 to 4. Defendants 2 to 4 ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಏನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್ಸ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್. Where do we find that? Seenappa defend number 2, Lakshmappa defend number 3. First son Rangappa is having sons. Native Rangappa was the propositus of family of the plaintiff and defendant. Rangappa had 3 sons by name Rangappa, Hanumappa, Sanna Rangappa. Propositus Rangappa and his 3 sons are no more. Wife of Sanna Rangappa, predecessor. Sanna Rangappa had no issues, therefore his branch has become extinct. First son Rangappa is having sons by name Ramappa, Seenappa defend number 2, 3. Defendant number 1 is his wife and plaintiff is the daughter of Ramappa. So cousins are her father's brothers. No, sorry, uncles are. I thought sorry. Friends concept shall amend the constitution of property memo accordingly. ಮತ್ತೇನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? The memo is disposed of accordingly. ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪೋಸ್ shall amend the constitution of property memo list up to 1 week. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ R1 and R4.
Milord, I am for the appellant in this matter, Milord.
Milord, process for R1.
Milord,
ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ R1 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ BNC ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಫಾರ್ R1 BNC ವಕಾಲತ್ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಹೌದು. R1 ಹೇಗೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತಾನೆ. ಇದು 4 ಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ
correct. So application 4 to 9 of 2018. There one is with respect to R1 and the other one is with respect to R4. The one set.
Yes, my lord.
You have already filed wakalat for R1 LRs. But you're in IA 4 to 8, 9 of 2018. ಅಂದ್ರೆ one set complete ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ನೀವು ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ just we'll check it from, have you seen from the application? Our application alle mistake ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? He has come forward to file wakalat and he is saying that there is some error in your application itself in mentioning the LRs.
I will correct it, my lord. What is the party given the details of the R1, my lord? We have filed that according to that, my lord.
ಬರೀ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. What is the name of R1? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ ಐಎಗಳು ಯಾವುದು?
Lord, R1 is I number 4, 5 and 6, my lord.
4, 5 and 6.
Yes, my lord.
CD and LRs application. 6 is they can't find one. 4 is bringing the LRs of this is R1. Anand Kumar B. Srinivas Nagaraj ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ ಹೆಸರು ನೀವೇನಂತ ಹಾಕಿದಿರ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. According to you, what are the names of the LRs? Anand Kumar, Shivagangi Reddy, and Nagaraj. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಹೆಸರು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Milord, what is that? BB Srinivas is alias Shivarangi Reddy, Milord. The second
ಇಲ್ಲ
respondent.
ಅಲಿಯಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲಿಯಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಧ್ಯ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅಲಿಯಾಸ್.
Yes, Milord. Yes, Milord. I will correct it, Milord, on a later, Milord.
Council for proposed response 1A to C submits that the name of proposed respondent 1B is wrongly shown as BV Srinivas instead of Shivagangi Reddy. Appellant counsel seek permission to correct the same. Is permitted to correct the same in IA number 4 of 2018. ಆಯ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yes, Milord. I will do it, Milord.
Call as filed by Shri. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? Shri Krishna Kishore Land Council for proposed response 1A to C is taken on record. You correct that.
Yes, Milord. Much.
All these objections and instead of accordingly. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಯುವರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಲರ್ನರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕುಮಾರ್ ನಿಮಗ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಲರ್ನರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1A to C concedes for allowing IA number 4 to 6 of 2018. Considering the same, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಡಿಲೇ?
Milord, 637 days delay is being. 637 days, Milord.
507 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Delay of 507 days in filing the IA number 6 of 2018 is condoned. The appellant is permitted to bring on record proposed respondent number 1A to C as legal representatives of deceased respondent number 1. I number in the interest of justice, I number 4 to 6 of 2018 are disposed of accordingly. The appellant's counsel shall amend the cause title of the appeal memo and furnish the copy of the amended appeal memo. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
Yes, Milord. I will take step to respond number R4. Milord.
Yaar, who has filed 5
Yes, Milord. I will furnish it.
Abhinav Anand.
Please, my lord, for respondents A to C have filed memo of retirement as the parties have taken back the file. But I continue for
A to
asking.
C alla. You are not there for A to C. You are for 5A to C and R6.
Please, I am continuing
You
for
retire
R6.
with you,
I am continuing for R6. Only in respect of R5 A to C, I have filed memo of return.
Have you issued notice?
No, my lord, they have personally came and took the file with invoice.
Accept ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತದೆಲ್ಲ. ಮೆಮೋ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೆಮೋ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. These are all applications. Memo of the memo of retirement filed by Shri K. Abhinav Anand for respondents 5A to C is not accompanied by proof of service of notice to them under RPAD. Therefore, the memo is rejected. We reject that. If somebody appears and
Srinivas R5A to C.
appear, file ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಬರೆದು ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Since we H knows for R5A to C ಅವ್ರು ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಮೆಮೋನ? H Nivas has appeared for R5A to C. Shri Abhinav Anand is permitted to retire further. The memo of retirement is disposed of accordingly. ಮತ್ತೇನಿದೆ ಬರೀ ಇದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Milord, this is R6, Milord. I will take the steps, Milord. I get to ascertain the details of that disease 6, Milord.
R4 ಗೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಇನ್ನು.
ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I
Who
will
has
take the
reported the death of R6? R6 non-filing of paper books. 2000. When his death was reported? R6.
last date of hearing, Milord, that respondent parent submitted the death of the R6, Milord.
Really?
I am getting the details.
1 week time is run. 1 ವಾರ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಇವರು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ಡ್. 1 week time is granted to do the investigation. This is response
Time, Milord.
7 to 9 of 2018 shall stand dismissed. Rejection of plaint ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸನಾ, ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ರಿಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ appeal
Details
ಮಾಡಿ
ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Within 1 week, Milord, I will furnish the details, Milord.
Suit was filed. On what ground the plaint was rejected?
Milord,
On what ground the plaint was rejected? Whether plaint is liable to be rejected. Barred by limitation. That's a mixed question of aguttalla. Limitation is a mixed question of law and facts.
Milord, that is
Even if you have a merit in the case, why should you keep it pending for nearly 10 years, more than 10 years now, 2023?
Milord, next week I will furnish the details, Milord, and we will go through the argument, Milord, on the main matter, Milord.
When the respond number 6 stand, as in purpose, respond number
6, Milord, only.
And the appeal against respond number 6 shall stand dismissed. 1 week time ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
Number 9.
third time. Petitioner file a memo to that effect. On taking of risk. This is 29. Non complaints of office of IA 1 of 2022 bring the the connected appeal the 301 of 320.
Respondent number 30. Given evidential respondent number 29. I file a memo to that.
The file memo if he is survived by another party on record. But for this respond number 39, you could have filed memo. Now only.
I just noticed that and filed a memo to that.
Then IA 1 of 2022 copy non office objection raised on IA 1 of what is that office objection? 1 of 2022. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ 1 of 2022 5 months. Copy to be served on other side. You have not received the copy?
Lord, I appear for the respondent, my lord. I have not received any copy except one IA which has been served recently, my lord, by RFA 301/23 bar 2013.
This is RFA 323 of 2013.
Correct, my lord. The next connected.
This is respond number 15. So in ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ. You serve the copies, then only you can take notice. See, objection on IA 1 of 2022 is you have not served the copies on the other side. And every time we have to keep doing this exercise. We'll pass it over. Do you do the needful now? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಾಪಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
That request 1 week time is granted to do the needful. First matter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್.
I appeal to the appellant in this. They filed an IA so return of the original documents. There were 6 original documents that were filed along with the claim.
But that IA is not listed when you had filed that application. Next matter ಕೊಡಿ. IA 1 of 2023 is for direction ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
Original documents that were filed along with the
13 rule 9. Written. Why it was not listed? Your case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? This is okay. Yes, exhibits you are seeking return or what is that?
the 6
Hmm.
So I filed certified copies of those exhibits and I'm requesting for return of those original documents to sign.
What are those documents? Construction sale deed, construction agreement, the deed of sale of undivided interest, construction agreement, deed of sale of undivided interest, construction agreement. This other side has any objection?
Lord, I will have to seek instruction, my Lord. It's an institution. I've just been served a copy of this recently. I'll have to seek instruction, my Lord. 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we have been served a copy, so I do not have clarity as to what these documents and why they are pending. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Since it's an institution.
Appeal is filed by whom?
Lord, appeal is filed.
BASF India Private Limited.
Yes.
Okay.
No, he was LIC Finance is the respondent. You
Yes,
represent LIC Finance. You have to
Yes,
take
ma'am.
instruction.
Yes, my Lord. I have to seek instructions.
So these were the properties mortgaged to you.
That's correct, my Lord.
I'm the purchaser. I'm the telling time to purchase.
Correct. But they are mortgaged to him.
Yes, my Lord.
He represents LIC. He wants to take instruction for return of the original documents.
ಹೌದು.
Then how, if they were mortgaged, how they were in their possession?
Lord, it's come after 10 years, my Lord. I will also have to seek instructions and what has happened anta nangu I have to check, my Lord, because adu appeal file ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ it was admitted and it's come only recently now for the first time.
No. He was
all that I'm saying is, let me seek
that
instructions. I
these
also go through about
properties
it.
were mortgaged with LIC. That's why we're asking him. If at all they were mortgaged, then how they could be in your possession? These were produced by you and marked through you, or we have to examine that. Let him take instructions. Yeah, do you have the copy of the depositions to show that these were marked through you? Then you check it. In the meantime, let him take instructions. They represent so many parties. Sham Sundara.
Yes, my Lord. I'll appear for LICHFL, which is a respondent, K-weight respondent, my Lord.
He has filed the case. What was the suit for? Recovery of money.
ಹೌದು.
He was the plaintiff in that.
After taking the loan, he has sold his property. And then LIC.
So developed and sold. So these sale deeds are not original title deeds. These are the intervening purchasers sale deeds.
My client was happened to be a director at one point of time.
Counsel for respond number 1. It's time to file counter to IA 1 of 2023. All right, if he wants to file, let him file. And in the meantime, you take out that deposition to show that they were marked through you. And they were.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನೀನು.
She is seeking the return of the documents. Let her show that they were produced by her and marked through them. Okay, list. ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಒಂದು ವಾರದ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಾ? ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 week. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು 9.2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ನಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೇ ಮೇಲಿನ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ವೆಂಕಟಕೃಷ್ಣ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್.
This was also defendant's appeal.
Yes, madam.
Apartment purchases. They were defendants 7A, B8. So they are the true blunt bearers. Who was the developer? So they have slipped away.
They were exporting. Guarantee has been given by him, right? They are disappeared.
So if they have not complied with so many office objections and for 10 years they are not compliant and register has also not listed this matter.
Coming up, but.
See, 11/7/2013, 1 week's time is granted for removing the office objection. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ no representation for the appellant. The office objections are not filed for about 10 years. Yeah, we can dismiss it in the next hearing date or not. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 2013 ನಲ್ಲೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. So he was submitting that it was not list T20 2013 ನಲ್ಲೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 12/6/2013 ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ twice or thrice many times in 2013. Last listing was 11/7/2013 ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ the registry has not listed this matter for about
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಫೈಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್
ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ was connected on for about 10 years. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಮೇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
28/11/22
ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು 22 ವರೆಗೂ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 2013 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೊಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 14/8/2018 ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅದು ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 14/8/2018 till 28/11/2022 for about 4 years. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಒಂದು when there are so many office objections, so many parties, registry people find it difficult to examine that and list them. 10 ವರ್ಷ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇಂದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅಪೆಲೆಂಟ್ there are no grounds to grant further adjournment, therefore appeal is dismissed for non-compliance. We'll dismiss that for non-compliance.
It's still number 9.1. I filed an article. I request that Mr. Share Dismissal name is from the appellant.
So you are for Vivek T. Bajaj and others.
Asian partner is also reflected. But Mr. Share's Dismissal name is also reflected as the performance.
Now you represent AZB partners. Okay.
I request that Share's Dismissal relate with that and Mr. Share's name are removed from the file.
Only Shreyas Jaisimha or
Vivek Vidaj and Mr.
ಅವರೇ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿದ್ದು ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್. ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ 9.1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಪೊಲ್ಲ. Your wakalat is not shown here.
Claims may be declared as for the
She says Resinma is no more on record. Registry shall show, registry shall verify and do the needful. We don't keep doing that now. We have spent already such.
Well, 2 weeks at least, Milord, for my IA, Milord. I'll seek instructions.
1 week. Maybe
Sir.
2013 pending. You
Copy
can
servagirad ivaga. Copy servagirad ivaga, Milord.
correct. You can examine that.
Lord,
Deposition
LIC again
rate.
is one institution, Milord. Lot of people would have changed. Avagiro ivaga yaru irodilla. Therefore, Milord, I contacted my client. Or yaru illa. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ
The 2 weeks ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವು ಬರೀ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
asking for
10
a
days.
week more.
10 days. 10 days. Now everything goes on mail.
LIC HFL.
everybody Indian family.
And then, no, you have filed the report. No, special order is there? Then why did you not mention it last hearing? This is RP. See, probably the judge who has passed that order may not be now. Special orders, when is that? One second, we'll see. What is that special order? Where is that is reflected? Where that? Why? Special order in the Namak Bandirvektu. Having roster bench. 27/8/2010. We'll see that. Ashte noted gottagutte. 27/8. This petition itself is filed in 2017. Then how is 27/8/2010 order can? ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೈ ಚೀಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ GS RFVMC and JMFCJ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅವಾಗ. That was the first order. RP having the present roster. As specially ordered, list before the bench having the present roster. Present roster for which matters? ಅಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಪಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Before it was order, it came up before the other bill. The other bill sent it back saying I'm not dealing with the roster. That is why it came before.
But why did you not mention it in the previous hearing date?
No, last time you are not at this. So that is why it passed the order.
ಆಯ್ತು. Let the registry clarify it. We'll ask them to list. I mean, take the special order. Learned counsel for respondent submits that you are represent the KV sole respondent. Respond number 5. Who are respond number 6? 3 others not sir. Now you represent respond number 5. No? Now counsel for respondent 5 submits that as per the special order dated 16/3/2020, this matter shall go before the. This is that. One second. The orders are to be reviewed is in MFA. Okay, 6. Page number, where is that order? Got it. This is 4th February and MFA. The bench having the roster of MAP. Okay. Registrar division shall clarify the same and list after 1 week. List after 1 week before the appropriate bench. Okay. No, there are so many objections. Report awaited by SP Mandya, awaited by status of the accused appellant. Not done. You have no instruction? ವಾರಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Also for the appellant accused on record, but there is no representation. First, set in the status of appellant relating to SC number 53. The presence of an NBW has been issued. NBW was already ordered. Superintendent of Police in regard to the issue. ಏನಿದೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಈಗ? ದೂರ appellant ನವೀನ್ ಜೆಸಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. In this appeal only. One set you are giving. ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಧೀಕ್ಷಕರು ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಧೀಕ್ಷಕರು ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು SP ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Submit it in 2 sets. HCP submits ASPP submits the report of the concerned police to the effect that the appellant is not stressed, seeking extension of time for tracing him and for his production. Okay. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು? ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ 4 weeks. ಅಪೀಲ್ 2017 ಅಂತ. As requested, 4 weeks time is granted to return the non-bearable warrant. List on after 4 weeks. 28. Date and sentence mentioned below signature of presiding officer at page 61 of the judgment. Not tallying with the date mentioned below the signature of the presiding officer is page 74. 61 and 74. 1 second. Page 61 ಅಲ್ಲ 60 ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮಂಜುಳಾಯ್ತಿ 22 to 33 64 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 61 and
60 ಮತ್ತು 60
ನಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು 61 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಂಗಿತ್ತು. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಮ್ಮದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 61 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 61 ಇನ್ನೊಂದಾಗ 74. ನಿಮ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 61 and 74 ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 61 ಅಂತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ನಿಮ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಪೇಜ್ 61 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪೇಜ್ 60.
Year ಮಾತ್ರ wrong ಆಗಿದೆ.
71 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 23rd February 2023. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 64 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಂತೆ. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 60 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ, 71 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್
61 ಮತ್ತು 64 ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಪೇಜ್.
61 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಡೇಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಇವನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 71 ಅದು, ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು. 71 ಅದೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 60 ಅದು 61 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು. That is a mistake of the court. Will accept that. Accepting the counsel suggestion, office objection is overruled. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೇನಾಗಬೇಕು? Appeal is against conviction for POCSO Act. 448, 376, 4 of the POCSO Act. And ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್? ಈಗ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಅವ್ರಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ XXX. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಒಂದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್? CW, ಐ ಮೀನ್ PW ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಹರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಶಾಂತಪ್ಪ ನಾಯ್ಕ. XX. So PW2 ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಈಗ. Now she is major. PW2 is respondent number 2. That is the guardian of PW1, the minor victim. Therefore, issue notice to ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶಾಂತಪ್ಪ ನಾಯಕ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು XX ಬರೋ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್. ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶಾಂತಪ್ಪ ನಾಯಕ, ರಿಟರ್ನಬಲ್ ಬೈ 4 weeks ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಮನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು? DK ಮಂಗಳೂರಾ? ಸೂಪರಿಂಟೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೂಪರಿಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಬೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ? ಥ್ರೂ SP ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆರ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ರೂರಲ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬಂಟ್ವಾಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ SP ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಶ್ಯೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಶಾಂತಪ್ಪ ನಾಯಕ ಫಾರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಸೂಪರಿಂಟೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ DK ಮಂಗಳೂರು. Registration, sir, I mean, furnish the copy of this order to the learned ASPP, na? ASPP for coordinate for the service of notice on respondent number 2. List on. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
IA ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ madam.
The last day they were directed to serve a copy to me. They have not served me till date.
They have not served the copy and correct. Why have you not? Impleading applicant. Oh, third party has come as well. Third party, no? Okay, 1 second.
Aiming to be a subsequent
Harsha.
person. It should be in a copy.
Right, we understand.
Directly to serve a copy, I give my objection.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ
Whereas he was told to serve a copy.
ಓರಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಾಪಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 2007. ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ವೋಕ್ ಅಪ್ ನೌ in 2023? No. You say you purchased it pending appeal or pending suit? That's why then we are asking you, why did you wake up now? What was suit? Suit was of the year 2000. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ no ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ OS ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆಯಾ 1007 of 2011 yours. Where is the appeal memo here? Appeal memo. A copy was given. So suit was of the year 2005. So when did you purchase?
2005.
After institution of what was the date of this date of purchase? 17 to 2005. Decree date. Decree iruttalla date of institution anta. Yes, 4 to 2005. So now you have filed application in 2023. What were you doing for all these years?
I have got the judgment. My interest to be protected. I am in possession. I enjoy the crucial property.
Correct. Late agi application ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Court he says court had directed you to serve the copy on you. ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದೇ ಕತೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಪಿನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. They are selling with this appellant.
They are saying they are previously there are some preceders in title who also filed impleading application. Now there is an order of coordinate bench order in this matter. It said that the balance impleading application their IAs will be considered at the time of final hearing.
Final hearing. When was that order passed? Otherwise, again you sell to somebody, they will come. 17/11/2015. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ 2 of 2011 to 3 of 2012, 13 applications are pending. Impleading. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 17/11 17/11 29/6 of 10/8 of 17/11 on the application
for impleading and an application for additional documents. We heard.
So now the same follows in this case also. Only have to file it.
Then serve me first, then order may be filed.
The counsel for they are served to the appellant and they are not served you.
If not, it's not appellant.
Now counsel for the appellant as well as the respond number 1 submit that the copies of IA-1 of 2023 are not served on them. Non-filing of amended cost statement. Who has to? The copy shall be served ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗಲೇ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣ ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The similar application by the order dated 17/11/2015, similar applications were ordered to be heard along with the main matter. The applicant counsel shall serve the copies and the counsel for the appellant and the respondents. List down. Failing which IA 1 of 2023 shall stand dismissed. Next, list down. Shall stand dismissed. IA 1 of 2023. If they don't serve, don't 98. ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಾರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಮೇನಿಂಗ್. There is a stone chariot in Hampi. ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ ತಾನೆ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಈ RFಗಳನ್ನ ಎಳೆಯೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ತಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ RFಗಳು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ 12 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರೀ suit was for partition. How you were also one of the family member. Mediation report. What has happened? Settle ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Not settled ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Pleading application, I have no objection. Oh, Gangadhar Shetty, you have any objection for this impleading? You are the impleading applicant. Who is the counsel for the respondent? For their record, you have to produce it. If I submit the copy, furnish the copy. But others are also, it is a partition suit. All are in the array of plaintiffs. And do you dispute this relationship? You have no idea. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ how they were related ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Appellant dependents appeal or ಮತ್ತೆ how he becomes the master of the suit? Master of the appeal ಅಲ್ಲ, master of the suit ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. You represent which respondent? ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬೇರೆ respondent. Whether copy is served on you? ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು so even after ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇಜ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಂಟ್ ನೇಮೇ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಪ್ರಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪೇಜ್ proposed respond number 70 and 71. So already 69 people are there. ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So the others, how she was related? This Yadarshini and Pushpara Shetty, Sanjeev Shetty. ಆಯ್ತು ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದವರು? ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ 29A ನಾ? 29AB. ಅಂಡ್ ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ 46. ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಸರೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೆಸರೇ ಬಿಡಿ. ಗೀತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿನ, ತಾರಾನಾಥ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇಬ್ಬರದು ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಬರ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ. Submit that the copies of IA 1 of 2023 are not served on them. The applicant's counsel shall serve the copies on them by next hearing date. Settle ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Positively list down. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ 3 star 5 star ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
I'm appearing for the respondent in this matter.
Yeah, 308 is to setting aside the abatement and bringing a loss of deceased appellant number 2. You have
my
any
lord.
objection?
Yes, my lord. They've filed 3 applications for which we've only been served the copy a couple of days back. We'll require a short accommodation so that we will file the objections to this after we take our
At
instructions.
least they have third copy and you. They are not present before the court now.
Yes, my lords, I see that.
No, if the relationship is not disputed, you can just cast hakadru madbodilla andre this matter keep on listing only for these purposes.
Understand, my lords. After over 300 days of delay, now they're filing this.
Correct. Relationship dispute ideya?
Howdu.
What is that application? Who was appellant number?
1 and 2, my lords.
So appellant number 1 ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ application ಆಗಿದೆ. Bringing deceased appellant number. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ? For reporting death of A1. No, applications are to bring the LRs of deceased appellant number 2.
My lords.
In the meantime, appellant number 1 is also dead, it seems. Appellant number 1 is Anjanappa, appellant number 2 is Meena Kumari.
My lords.
So, husband and wife, both of them have died. They are not survived by the other appellants. 3 and 4 are the children of appellant number 1 and 2, it seems. So she is daughter of Anjanappa. I'm sorry. Appellant number 2 is the daughter of the first appellant. The surviving parties are there.
Same for appellant number 4 as well.
So appellant number 1 was the father. He was survived by 3 daughters. Now 1 daughter died. They want to bring her LRs on record. Cast ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
Now instruction ತಗೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು we will file our objections. If 2 weeks time is granted, we will file it by on that date for all the 3 applications.
Suit was filed?
Recovery, my lords.
So you have succeeded.
Yes, my lords. We have a decree in our favor.
Then why you want 2 weeks time?
My lords, inconvenience for why we're not able to reach out to the client. If 2 weeks time.
2002 suit.
Yes, my lords.
2002 suit.
Appeal was 2010. Yes, my lords.
Even plaintiff was a private party, not any financial institution.
No, my lords.
Learned counsel, listen to us. Fast ಹಾಕಿ allow ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ application ಅನ್ನ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. You are advocate on record or?
Appearing for the advocate on record. I'm from his office, my lords.
So you are getting the point or not getting the point?
I understood the point, my lords. Given the instructions, we will file our objections as what, because there quite a lot of delay has been in this case as well.
Who is the advocate on record? See, appeal has not abated because the other parties are on record. Appeal has not abated. Other surviving heirs are there.
Yes,
Yeah, who is the advocate on record? We'll pass it to you, ask your advocate and come back to us. Who is the advocate on record? Vishnu ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 15. ಮಹೇಶ್ ತತ್ವಮಸಿ and law.
Yes, my lord.
VK Mallikarjun. So ಯಾರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, who amongst these advocates, who is the present
Mahesh,
advocate?
Mahesh.
This Mallikarjun has retired. VK Mallikarjun.
No, my lords. He was the previous advocate who's given the NOC. And afterwards
delete ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೌದು, my lord.
ಹೆಗಡೆ
Delete
Vishnu Hegde first. These also shown for respond number 1. It's Subramanya for R2. So the present advocate is Mr. Mahesh.
Yes, my lords. Then, my lords, we may allow these applications on cost. Fine, my lords, because I've understood. I've come.
Since Sri Mahesh M. And Mrs. Tatuvasila Chambers have appeared for R1. Raised shall show only his name henceforth in the cause list for respond number 1. Okay. No representation for the respondents. For the appellant, heard the response counsel. There is how many days delay?
According to them, 308 days, my lords.
In filing the application to bring on records the LRs of deceased appellant number 2. However, considering that this matter is pending since long time, and the other LRs of the deceased are on record. The other LRs of deceased appellant number 1 are on record. The delay of 308 days in filing IA number. IA2 is for a delay condemnation. Abatement to filing IA3 of 2023 is condemned. The abatement of the appeal against appellant number 2 is set aside, and the applicants are permitted to come on record as the LRs of deceased appellant number 2 on payment of cost of, in the interest of justice, on payment of cost of rupees 1,000 payable to respond number 1. Okay. I-822/4 of 2023 is disposed of accordingly. The appellant's counsel shall amend the cost title of the appeal memo and furnish the copy of the amended appeal memo and pay the cost on or before the next hearing date. Alli avaru kuda proposed respond number 2A is aged 76 years.
Although, madam, my lords, although 2A to 2D, they themselves have pretty. 2A is also very.
Failing which the appeal shall stand dismissed anew. Failing which the appeal shall.
Stabilize, my lords.
Serial number. Calling the order dated 25/1/2000. What is the order passed on 25/1/2000? Has been restored subject to payment of 1,000 cost. Cost has not been paid. None appeals. IA1 of 2022 is dismissed. One minute. $16, 13 or 23. One second. So, what was dismissal of the appeal? None appears to prosecute the application. Oh, that was again recalling application. Request for the appellant's office to delete the names of so-and-so column. Interim order granted earlier is extended. 25/1/2020. You said 16 anta helidala. 25/1 alli dismiss agilla ರೀ. None appears to prosecute the application. Hence, what was that application? 1 of 2022 for impleading. That application was rejected. Time is granted subject to payment of 1,000. So, interim order granted. Though date is given, advocate for apparent short time. Time is granted. Allavatenu recall madilla adannu. Though time is granted, appellant advocate seeks time. Time granted on cost. Andre avag recall madilla adannu. The order dated 25/1/2023 was not recalled. 16, what is 16 to order now? 21/3 No, he was saying 16/2 ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ recall ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 16/2 recall ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
21/3 ಆಗಿದೆ.
21/3 Second set during the course of the day. One of 2000. What is this? IA2 of 2016 was allowed. What was that IA2 of 2016? So 1 of 2023 nale the order relating to 1 of 2022 was recalled. Has been restored. None appears, again it was dismissed. Who are those people? IA1 of 2022 ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಯಾರು? ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಅವ್ರು, what is their interest in a case? ಅಲ್ಲ, in what way interested? This appeal is against which order? Partition. Appeal is filed by defense 1 to 3. You represent the plaintiff's respondent. Alla, you are represent. You defendant. You are the appellant. Who represent the successful plaintiffs? They are not coming before the court. These are the modus of delaying the matters. IA 1 of 2022. This here only one person wants to come and record. What is their interest of ಹೇಳೋದು? In what way interested? My grandfather Annayappa had so many children. Proposed respondent for the impleading. Yes, respond number 14. Venkateshwara son of Bajantri Dodda Tayappa.
1 of 22 ಅಂತ.
ಇದು 1 of 22. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿ?
ಬೇರೆ 15 ಆಗಿದೆ ಸಾಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 18/8/2022 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ. 20th August 2022 ಡೇಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಹಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾರು ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೆಂಟ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು?
I represent impleading applicant 8 to 13, my lord. That application is allowed already.
No. This IA number 1 of 2023. 1 of 2022 is for impleading. Now under IA 1 of 2023, that application was rejected and they have sought for recalling. Who has filed 1 of 2022? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. You represent the impleading applicants?
8 to 30, my lord. That application has already been allowed. My application.
ಯಾವ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀವು?
Order one rule there.
You are KN Ramesh?
No, Uday Kumar.
ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ, ಯಾರು ಹೂ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ. ಅದೇ KN ರಮೇಶ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಇದರ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ? ಆ ರಮೇಶ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ರಮೇಶ್. ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್. No representation for the applicants in IA number 1 of 2022 and 1 of 2023. That is the impleading applicant. Applicant is the records show that IA 1 of 2022 was already rejected twice. Twice for non-prosecution. Though that was recalled. Again, needful was not done, and So that was recalled. Needful was not done. Again, the same was dismissed. Having filed application, filed IA-1 of 2023, the counsel for the applicant does not appear. Therefore, fast track reject madana unless cost is paid. Further application shall not be entertained. Having regard to the conduct of the applicant, IA-1 of 2023 is dismissed with cost of rupees 5,000 payable to High Court Legal Services Committee. Unless the cost is deposited, registry shall not entertain any similar application in future. Again, final hearing ಈಗ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ? List for hearing on interim order ಏನು final decree ga? Not to draw the final decree. Interim order granted earlier is extended till next hearing. In what the parties are going to earn by doing this unnecessary court time? 35 days in filing the application. Appeal is against 92 suit. This is 2012 appeal. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಡಿಲೇ ಕಂಡನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? For 13 years. 2 ವರ್ಷ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಇತ್ತು, we understand. But rest of the years. R1 and so now R1 to R13, all parties are represented. But will condemn again. That was the reason. $35 days. What is the number? 1,000 ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಡೆತ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೀರಾ? In which paragraph of the application you have stated that? 142. Oh, sorry. ಅಂಟುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಪ್ಯಾರಾ? Deficit court fee was not paid, so not for any other reason. Considering the reasons assigned, and considering the explanation for the delay of 35 days in filing the appeal is condoned in the interest of justice. IA-1 of 2000 all is disposed of accordingly. So, this is appeal by. On what ground relationship was admitted? So if the husband was the owner, he could execute the will. So here,
relationship and mediation.
Now he is saying that dispute is only with regard to one property. Final decree can be passed with regard to the other properties, no? But he was submitting, orally he was submitting that the dispute is only with regard to one property. That's what we're asking. Correct. Now mediation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ mediation? Is it a sincere effort or a sincere suggestion? You represent the plaintiffs. Whom do you represent? Plaintiff number 4. Plaintiff number 4. 5. Respondent. So plaintiffs and one defendant are agreeable for mediation. You agreeable idira? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. First contention, that defendant died even before the trial. Who was claiming it to be his absolute property? No evidence was led. ಅಲ್ಲರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರೋದು only if he was the absolute owner. Yeah. So, but he admitted that you were the member of the joint family. You were the senior member, or?
1953 is the partition deed which is executed by my grandfather. In favor of selling the properties in favor of the plaintiff one share, comes to me as a joint property. After that, my lords, the first wife divorced, and he married the second wife, present this part. During the proceedings, my lords, he purchased this property in 1973.
Father only purchases.
Purchases under 1973 as sale. And the sale. That property is also brought under the joint, saying that since he was managing the other property, the fund is accumulated. He was an employee of private property.
So defendant number 1 was the father. After partition, he has acquired that. That's why you say that it is the self-acquired property. Settle ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಬಹುದಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು? How old was he when suit was filed? 1992 suit. Both parties submit that the matter may be referred to mediation. Elli mediation Bangalore idena. Therefore the parties the matter is referred to Bangalore Mediation Center. The party shall appear before the Bangalore Mediation Center on date ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 17 ಎಷ್ಟು 17/8 at ಎಷ್ಟು at 1:30 p.m. at 3 p.m. at 3 p.m. registry shall forward this order and the copies of the relevant records to the Bangalore Mediation Center. List on ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. 29. ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೋತ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, because you want to send to mediation also, that may be required. Lots of different Now appellant number 1 is also dead. Additional documents vacating interest. Then what is this applications? What is it for? Krishna. The copies bandilva, but our registry has not raised objection that the copies are not served. Alla BD contesting party yaru. Respond number 2. Respond number 2 is dead anta idena. Respondent number 2 is dead ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಮೆಮೋದಲ್ಲಿ. Since this is ಮುಂದೆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ದೇ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದು. So it has to go before some other bench. None of you mentioned that. Since the impugned judgment is passed by RDH, list for the bench where the member where RDH is not member. Next.
16 IO1 of 23 ಮೊದಲೇ ಅಲೋ ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು. और IO1 of 22 recall ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು.
Of 2016 is another. Stored on board subject to correct, it was restored. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಸಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವಾಗ ಅಲೋ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತದ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ 33/2023 ಅಗೇನ್. Not to IPC case is based on direct evidence or circumstances. Who are the?
PW3 and PW5 have turned hostile. Completely hostile.
Yes.
PW2, the examination chief through video conferencing, he says yes, he is the accused. He just said he is the accused. Thereafter, the further cross-examination, he says no, I cannot say that he is the accused exactly. So, sir, I have not seen the accused, I have not seen the victim.
So he was cross-examined on the same day or on some other day?
So further cross-examination after I came on record.
Correct, that's what we were asking. When he was examined in chief? 25/8/2018. Chief. When he was cross-examined? 14/9/2018. Further cross-examination.